Hello everyone, basically myself Sunil Ramkrishnan Nair. Basically today we are going to talking about some short forms, that is basically short forms and full forms, that basically connects with the project management plan, that is PMP, and basically it is used in many documents also, like a project management plan, scope management plan, UTC, project specifications, the quality management plan, risk management plan, cost management plan, budget management plan, and there are many documents where these basically short forms are used. And basically today we are going to talking about this short. First is basically earned value, that is EV basically. That is basically we can say it's earned value, how much value you have earned at the certain time of the formula when you calculated the formula. For example, 10 days is the project time, 1 lakh is the budget, and basically project manager told that after 5 days basically I want to calculate what actually work has been done. So basically 50,000 was the actual cost, and 70,000 work was actually done. That is basically real done. That is basically earned value. Basically, we can say another is cost value. Same example, basically that is basically we can say that is basically actual cost. Same example that basically connects with the 1 lakh dollar was like budget, 50,000 was the actual cost, and basically after 5 days basically project manager told that I want to calculate the exact scenario of the project. So basically after 5 days the planned value was 50,000. Means after 5 days, if the project is going on track, on time, according to the plan, then the actual cost basically which is going to become, that is basically 50,000. That is actual cost. Then basically a cost performance index. Cost performance index basically? What is the performance of the cost? What is the performance of, and this basically whenever index comes, there basically division always comes. Then basically schedule performance index. What is the schedule performance index? Then basically comes cost variance, basically CV. Basically what is the variance of the cost? Basically you can say variance and difference, basically you can say. Then basically it's the SV, basically schedule variance. Then basically comes the planned value, that is PV. Then basically it comes EAC, that is basically estimate at cost, basically. Then basically ETC, estimate to complete. Means after 10 days, 5 actual cost was 50,000. Then basically estimate to complete. That remaining task basically need to complete how much money you require. If basically the task has been completed, if the earned value is basically more than the actual cost, then basically ETC will basically uh, will require less effort. Basically, reason basically is the earned value is more. Basically, earned value is more means the project you have supposed to be completed on 5 days, and the actual cost was 50,000. So here basically the actual earned value was $70,000. So basically ETC will basically requires less effort because the project is going on track, and that also ahead project. Then basically BAC, that is basically budget at cost. Basically, you can say future budget price basically. 10 days is the project time, and within 10 days basically you have to complete 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh dollar task. So basically 1 lakh dollar is the task that basically you have to complete. So that is the budget of the project. So whenever you are doing the project, budget, you have to plan basically. You have to plan the value. You have to plan the budget. That what is the budget of the project? Budget means basically you can say how much money you require to complete this project. Here basically I have taken the example of 1 lakh dollar. 1 lakh is the budget of the project. You can say. Then basically EVM, earned value management basically. Then it comes to VAC, that is basically variation at completion. Then basically TCPI to complete the performance index. So basically, like this, basically there are many short forms in our project that basically is used in many documents, many side basically when you are doing the project management plan, when you are completing the project. That time basically this all short forms basically are used. And basically when you are creating any documents, that time also basically these all short forms basically are used like short project in document. Basically you can say there are many documents that basically we have already discussed, that is project management plan, project cost management plan, the quality management plan, risk management plan, the budget management plan, then and then basically quality management plan, then project specifications are there, then UTCs are there basically, and there are many HLDs there basically, and then there are basically many documents which basically contains this short form. So basically, this was about some short forms which connects with the project management plan and many documents basically which uses this short forms which can be used. So basically, this is Sunil R. Nair signing off.